Let's make Ukdiche Modak. This is a traditional and authentic recipe. In the pan, we'll add sugar. I have taken brown sugar and jaggery. Then we'll add grated fresh coconut, a tablespoon of desi ghee, and mix it all till all the sugar and the jaggery melts and mixes with the grated coconut. The mixture should be dry. We'll add poppy seeds, cardamom powder, Chironji and raisins. Mix it well, cook for 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Keep aside to cool. In another pan, we'll take 1 cup water, 2 tablespoon milk and 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Give it a boil and add 1 cup rice flour. This is the special modak flour. Mix it well, cover and cook for 5 minutes. Switch off the flame, cool it a little and knead it into a soft dough. Add little water if required and keep covered with a damp cloth. Now we make small balls and start making the modaks. Pinch the dough from all sides, making 11 pinch flour. Stuff it with the coconut mixture. Gather all together and circle at the top point and twist it. We'll make all the modaks the same way and steam them for 15 minutes. I have also made some other style modaks like Chironji type, and that also we can keep it to steam. Wow, so nice. So our modaks are already steamed now and the Chironji is also done. Serve warm, and you can store this in the fridge for 3 days in an airtight container and warm it again while serving. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi!